Help Center Tutorials. How to add new customers during a sale. There are several ways to add customers to Precision Systems to build your database. If you haven't already done so, we invite you to read our article, How to Add Customers to Your Database in Precision Systems, to learn about the other methods, and to adopt the one that works best for you in each of the situations in which you will be creating a customer record. Meeting a new customer for the first time during a sale and having to create a loyalty account for them is one of the most likely situations. Precision Systems takes this information into account and therefore allows you to create a customer record at this time, without having to abandon the progress of an ongoing sale. This method can be done from two screens. The first way is adding a customer from the sales screen. To do this and while recording a sale when you are in the orders section that is accessible from the menu. Press on the customer search box in the upper part of the sidebar on the right. Enter the name of the customer you want to add to your database. Press the Add as a New Customer bubble that will appear to the left of the search area. The form allowing you to fill in your customer's data will appear. So fill in the required fields for the creation of the customer record. Note that you can add custom fields to your customer record creation form from your Precision Systems Web Administrator interface. Follow the guide from the article, How to Add Custom Fields to the Customer Record, if you want to customize the form. Once you have finished filling out the form, press Validate at the bottom of the form to confirm the creation of the customer record. The customer will then be added to your database. You will then be able to enter in the search zone the name of the customer you have just added to your database to assign him or her the current sale. At this point you will only have to continue with the registration of the current sale products and proceed to the payment. The second way is adding a customer from the payment screen. To do this, once you have passed to the payment screen, click on Add a Customer in the Customer section. A chat box containing your list of customers will appear. You will be able to choose one from your existing database or add a new one by clicking on Create an Account, located in the upper right corner of the chat box. To modify or add information to the customer files you have created, read our article, How to Edit a Customer File.